how to make honey chicken. This super easy homemade honey chicken recipe is incredibly easy to follow. The tender chicken pieces are coated in a crunchy, crispy batter and glazed with a sweet and savory honey sauce. The chicken